let's also hear out some more trading strategies from our Super 6 participants.
Our first call would be to buy HDFC Limited for a target of 1100 and stop loss can be placed at 988. We witnessed a piercing line pattern on daily chart, which is a sign of positive reversal in the near term. Thus, looking at the oversold condition of momentum oscillator on daily chart, we expect this move to extend towards 1100 over the next few sessions. It can be bought by keeping a strict stop loss at 988.
First stock for today on the buy side is going to be PFC. This stock has been formed an important low near the zone of 140 and has given a positive breakout. Also, this has happened after a sustained sell-off. We are seeing a consolidation pattern, and this pattern looks to be continuing on the upside now. And one can buy PFC with a stop loss of 145, and the target is going to be 170.
Our other recommendation would be to short Infosys for a target of 1040 and stop loss would be at 1157. Day before yesterday, this stock formed a shooting star pattern around its strong resistance zone of 1140. This pattern has now been confirmed on a closing basis. Thus, we expect an immediate down move towards 1040 in Infosys. It can be shorted by keeping a strict stop loss at 1157.
The next stock is going to be on the sell side, Tata Chemical. This stock made a top somewhere around 500 last year, and it has continued to move lower. There is no relief sign, and it has been constantly forming lower highs and lower lows, which indicates that the short to medium term trend is negative. One can sell this stock with a stop loss of 330, and the conservative target can be expected around 295 levels.
My first call is a sell call on India Cement. India Cement is making lower tops and lower bottoms from the level of 95. But for last few trading sessions, it was taking support near to 70 rupees. Yesterday, it broke the support of 70 with higher volumes. So we are missing for that downside in India Cement. It can test 63. So one can go short with a stop loss of 69.
Okay, well, Manas Jaiswal also has a buy call on PFC with a target of 165 and a stop loss at 153. So that's another call that he is bullish on today. But our guests are still with us, and we have 3 more minutes to go before the market opens. Mr. Tulsian, you were telling us how post the 15th or 14th of March,